Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe left on the screen to scroll through the list of widgets, and one of the widgets will show you the amount of steps taken. As you can see, we can also tap on it to open the more detailed information, and here we have the step goals, the daily the progression throughout the day, the goal for the fat burn time, my bad, and we can also check the goal for the standing, and we have the detailed information for calories, sitting and stuff like that here. Also, you can scroll down and tap on weekly report, and here you can check the report from whole week if you want to. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And if you want to, you can also use the phone application to check that information. Basically, if we bring our phone right here, of course the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the ZEP application on it, and on the phone, in the app, we can check the same information. We can see the steps right here. You can tap on the steps to open the more detailed information, and we have the daily, weekly, monthly and yearly progression for our steps and stuff like that. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you check the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.